So we've got a Countax mower here, and the deck, for some reason, maybe wear and the pins and stuff like that, it wasn't level. So it's a very quick adjustment, but you've got to search around for it. So I'm just going to show you, this is a very short video, just what you need to know, no more. So we're on the side of the Countax, and if we come down here, okay, you see that nut there? Yeah, it's 13 mil. You slacken that off, and then you have to jiggle the deck up and down, and it will move round. It was round here, that washer was round here, and I jiggled the deck up and down, and this whole cam plate moved round and lowered the deck on this side. Yeah, if this side is too low, then this will be, then you'll undo it and jiggle it up, so therefore this nut or that cam plate goes that way, and the nut and washer moves round here. Okay, so just undo that, and that is round there, so it's not fixed. If you can you see how it moves? So for an extra bit of detail, you see this flat bit here. Well, this is a snail cam fixed on that shaft, well, spins on that shaft, held on by that circlip, and this locks it in place. So as you turn that way, the ramp of the snail cam gets lower and the shaft drops. And if you turn it this way, clockwise, the cam or the ramp of the snail cam gets higher, and so it lifts the shaft. Fairly simple, really. Rough and ready engineering, but it's good enough for this because it's locked in place, yeah, once you've set it up. But you'll work it out. But that's where you adjust the deck so it is level from one side to the other in a very sort of vague way. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully it makes sense. Yeah, and there's nothing worse than the deck being digging in one side and up in the air on the other side. Especially if you've had the deck off several times and there's wear on the pins and all that sort of thing. So there you go.